guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how you can get this home screen setup on your smartphone. So let's begin. So guys, you just have to download two applications. One is the KWGT. This is a custom widget app, and another here is the Shadow KWGT. In these are all the presets available here. You can just directly add it to your home screen. So just go to the home screen, press and hold, and here you can see the widgets option. Okay, now here from the widget, just drag and drop these widgets wherever you want on the new page or anywhere. Then you can just resize them, and as soon as you click on them, you will get these options. These are the options, and you can get both of them. The normal mode, and the dark mode options are also available here. So I'm just going with the normal mode, white mode, because you can see it properly in the video. So now you can just click on whichever the widget you want. Like for example, I want this widget. Just click on that, just click on save, and now this widget will be available. If you want the full of them, just resize the widget and it will be available here. And so as you can see, it's just really looking cool. So it has this Wi-Fi toggle, and ask for you allow once or deny once, and you can turn on or off the Wi-Fi from here. The Bluetooth toggle here is available, the silent ringer toggle, the weather and everything. This is looking cool, right? So as you can see, so like this you can just set up your full home screen. I have just set up in the external launcher. This is the launcher I have used, because in the Poco launcher you don't get to put the widgets here on the dock here. So that is a problem here and the Poco launcher. So for that I have installed the launcher. If you want to use the launcher, you can just download it. I will leave a link for it in the description below. This is fully customizable launcher and close to stock, so it's really looking cool, man. It's a clean UI, clean experience. This is how I have set up the home screen. This is the Shadow KWGT, and these are all the setups available here. Not the setups, these are all the widgets available here. You can just adjust it according to yourself. So that's great, and on clicking it you can customize this widget also. This widget you can customize, like here this is the overlap, these are the toggles, music. If you want to remove the music option, you can just click on that and delete. Now the music toggle will be removed. So this is how you can customize the whole widgets. And if you want to remove these weather apps and everything, the weather current, just select the weather and click on delete, and now the weather is also deleted. So this is how you can customize and adjust the widgets. So that is great. And as the launcher here is available, so this is how the setup is looking. This is how it is. You can just turn on the music from here. It will just turn on, as you can see here. I'll just pause it. I don't want the copyright strike here. So this is it, and these are the two apps, the KWGT Advanced Editor. These both are available on the Play Store, and if you want the Pro version, you can just buy the Pro version here. I am using the Pro version, but you can get the cracks available here on the Telegram and many other. So that is it. These are all the available here. So I'll just show it to you once quickly, that these are the battery ones and the Shadow. These are all the widgets available here. So many widgets, and like these there are also many other apps available here, the presets available here. So on the Play Store you can just download it, but you have to just research it. So these are all the widgets available here. You can just put them on the home screen, and your home screen will be looking amazing. So this is the social media widget. Like when you click on the WhatsApp, it's not set for the WhatsApp here, because, and this is set for the Instagram, it is set for the Twitter, and this is not for Snapchat. You just have to set it. On the touch you have to add the, like whenever I click on Snapchat, it is not getting open. So what you have to do is go to this overlap group, go to the apps, go to the Snapchat one, click on touch, and now you have to add. And okay, now after adding, just click on this single on one, Now click on custom action or launch app. You can just whatever do, launch app. Now select the app from here, like I want to open the Snapchat from here. On that click, just select it, and now click on the save button here. So now the widget here is saved, the touch action here is saved. So this is how you can add the custom actions for the apps opening. So that is great. So this was it. This is the home screen setup, and so this is how you can customize, and this is home screen setup is just looking amazing, man. This is the home screen setup I have created. As you can see, this is the clock, the date, hey Google. From there you can launch the Google Assistant or the Google app, so that's great. Then this is the, from here when you click you can launch the calendar, and here from the music, these are the social media icons. Here is the dialer app and the Chrome browser. So this is a clean UI, you know, the clean home screen setup. And on the here you get to see the Gmail. From here you can launch the Gmail, the images, Google Photos will launch from here. Here when you click on this toggle, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth toggles here are available, the battery, the volume toggle, the Google Assistant toggle here is available, this is the music toggle and the contacts. So this is great. And here is the just the setup here, the clock and the weather, and this is the high Kushang. You can just set it up according to you, whatever you prefer, you can like. And this is the same is available in the dark mode also, so that is great. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.